Hello friends, welcome to my new vlog. Let's find some new toys. Wow, I found a new toy. Oh wow, amazing. It's beautiful and cool. We will unbox it. Let's collect it. My garden is magical one. It always ground toys. Oh wow, I found another one. School bus. Wow, amazing. Wow, collect it, put it into the bucket. Let's move forward. Oh, wow, the red car. Oh, lovely. So beautiful. Cool. Oh, wow. Now move towards next plant. And what is here? Oh, what is this? Oh, truck. Dumper truck for loading stones. So beautiful. Red tires, yellow body. Put it into the bucket. Move next. Oh, here is another one. Oh, this is a crane. Vehicle with crane for loading vehicle into the truck. Put it into the bucket. Let's move forward. Let's find on this plant. No. Move here. Oh wow. We found another one. Oh, nice. So beautiful. Put it into the bucket. Let's move forward. Oh, here is something I found. Oh, little one. Little car. Beautiful. I have collected all these. Let's unbox the first one, the truck. Let's pick it out from the bucket. Oh, red one. This little car. This truck. The bus. This car. And the beautiful this one. Wow. City car team series trucks. Now we will unbox it. Lovely. Let's open it. Open it from here. Put it out from the box. Wow, so beautiful. That's amazing. Little mixer truck. The mixer. Wow. This crane truck with crane. Wow. Beautiful. This dumper with back hook. Here is the hook for towing purpose. Wow. And the big one, the modern design. Wow. Six-wheeler. Amazing truck. Wow. Wow. So amazing. Let's load vehicle into it. I think there is a place for loading. No. Wow. We can open it. Wow. Lovely. No. Here we can put this small vehicle. Wow. And we can load here. So beautiful. Wow.